Wealth 101: How to be satisfied with what you already have. We always feel the need to own more things, travel more, and just acquire more items to feel happy. It's a common thing nowadays, especially for a society focused on consumerism. We need to find ways to eliminate that naturally, and doing that can indeed make a huge difference in your life. But the truth is that you don't need to spend more money in order to be happy. It's the little things that matter. Things like finding your true love, creating your own habits that make you happy can really make a difference. Just because you can buy more stuff to get a second of happiness, that doesn't mean you should. In the end, you will question the purchase. What you want to do is to identify those things that make you happy, as that will help you avoid spending money to compensate the lack of happiness. For example, you can establish a happy morning routine. Try to wake up early, read a few pages from your favorite book, and if you're commuting, listen to music or a podcast that helps boost your energy levels. Stay away from your email or the TV early on in the morning. You just want to focus on the little things. While there, avoid social media early morning too. It just pours a lot of unnecessary information in your head, and it's a waste of time. Something as simple as listening to the birds singing during the morning, drinking a cup of coffee, or just taking a hot bath can really make you happy. Try to ditch the stress that comes from other tasks and focus on yourself. It can be well worth the effort. Try to buy experiences and not things. Buying items all the time won't make you happy. What you want to invest in are experiences. Those will always stay in your mind and bring in the happiness you always wanted. It makes a lot of sense to try and invest in experiences, and results can be amazing every time if you do this right. Remove clutter from your home. By removing clutter from your home, you end up happier and more excited about the future. You also end up organizing your life a lot easier and with great success. Plus, a tidy home brings in a tidy mind, which lacks any stress and anxiety. Surround yourself with positive people. While you're there, you also want to handle the little tasks that you held off from completing. The main thing here is that you need to stay positive, talk with people that keep you happy and which are there to support you. Laughing and eliminating any concerns from your life will bring you happiness that no money can buy. Conclusion: one would say that money can buy happiness, but that's not true. As you accumulate more and more wealth, you will notice that everything you buy barely makes you happy. What you want to do is to focus on experiences, finding new ways to make your life better, and enhancing it in an appropriate manner. As you do that properly, you will become happier, and you will enjoy all those little things more than any expensive purchase.